Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Society EA for MT4. So this is an MT4 only expert advisor designed as a trend following trading robot. According to the MQL5 Marketplace description, the EA focuses on trading during periods of increased volatility and uses a built-in indicator to determine trend direction. Starting here on the marketplace page, we can see that the developer is Ivan Simonika. The EA is currently listed at 299 US dollars with a 1-month rental option available for 129 US dollars. The version displayed is 1.0 and the product comes with 5 activations. Looking through the description, the developer explains that the trading logic is built around trend identification using an internal indicator. To reduce false signals, the system applies filtering based on the distance from indicator channel boundaries. Trade exits can occur through stop loss and take profit levels, trailing functionality, or indicator-based exit signals. One point the developer emphasizes is that the EA does not use martingale and does not use lot increase tactics. The goal appears to be maintaining stability over longer periods rather than relying on progressive, larger position sizes. As I continue down the page, the developer notes that backtests were performed separately for each currency pair because MetaTrader 4 does not support multi-currency testing in the way the strategy is intended to be used. Moving into the recommended setup section, the EA is designed to work on 6 currency pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD CAD, USD CHF, and USD JPY are explicitly stated, while the description refers to 6 supported pairs in total. Okay, but just 5 are stated here. Now, the recommended time frame is H1. All right. And the developer specifically states that the robot should be used only on the hourly chart. The suggested leverage is 1 to 100 with a normal deposit recommendation of $1,000, although the stated minimum deposit is $100. An interesting observation from the description is that the EA reportedly opens trades relatively infrequently. The developer presents this as both a limitation and an advantage, suggesting that positions are only opened when the system has strong confidence in the identified trend direction. Now, looking at the available settings, there are several areas on traders can customize. We have manual volume controls, money management options through the risk-based calculation system, stop loss and take profit parameters, maximum drawdown controls through the total equity risk setting, and trailing stop functionality. There are also volatility filter settings along with indicator-related parameters such as length, intervals, and calc bars. These settings allow traders to adjust how the underlying indicator and filtering mechanisms operate, which can have a meaningful impact on trade frequency and overall behavior. With the recommended setup covered, let us move into the historical backtesting section. So when reviewing historical testing performance, I like to focus on how consistently the EA followed its stated approach. In this case, the developer describes the system as a trend-focused robot that seeks opportunities during stronger market movements while filtering out weaker signals. From the report we have here, symbol is Euro USD, 1 hour time frame, every tick model, initial deposits $1,000, total net profit over $22.5 million, total trades taken 3,167, out of which 2,507 were profitable, giving us a 79.16% win rate. In this case, we have GBP USD 1 hour time frame, same initial deposits, but here we have over $1.2 million in total net profit, 76.31% win rate. This is for USD CAD, 21,787.95 net profit, and we have a 77.33% win rate. This is for USD CHF, 77.23% win rate, and here we have over $44.1 million in total net profit. Okay, and this is for USD JPY, over 40. Okay, this is over $4 million in total net profit, 78.66% win rate. Let's head over to our strategy tester right away. Let's see how the Society EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months. All right, in this case, we have $10,000 deposits, $292.5 net profit, and the win rate that we have here is just 81.82%. It's actually a good win rate. It's very good. The average profit here is 42.63, average loss 45.6. That means that the risk to reward ratio is bad. The win rate is good, but the risk to reward ratio is bad. Let's turn on the visual so we can also see the EA in action. So when reviewing historical testing performance, as we look through the chart activity, the entries appear consistent with a system that waits for specific trend conditions before becoming active. Now, since the EA is designed to trade less frequently, the spacing between positions can be just as important to evaluate as the actual results themselves. Because the backtests, were conducted separately for individual currency pairs, it's also useful to compare behavior across different symbols rather than relying on a single result. Longer testing periods generally provide a more reliable picture of historical behavior, so I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Now, as for the results, these should always be viewed as historical backtest results and historical analysis, not as guarantees of future performance. Actual results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and how the EA is optimized by the user. Overall, Society EA for MT4 positions itself as a trend-oriented automated trading system designed for long-term operation across multiple currency pairs on the H1 time frame. The absence of martingale-style position sizing, the inclusion of volatility filtering, and the focus on trend conditions are all key aspects highlighted by the developer. As always, before considering any live deployment, I would recommend thoroughly testing the EA yourself, evaluating its behavior on the recommended pairs, and optimizing the settings based on your own risk tolerance and trading objectives. So that is my review of Society EA for MT4. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more expert advisor reviews and backtesting analysis. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.